How do you validate request bodies in Spring REST API? One single annotation that will be added together with the data that is coming from the client. Means the client should not send null value, should give the proper password, should give the proper mobile number. So how to do the validation? Use @valid annotation. Which class in Spring helps to return the status, payload and headers from a REST API to the client? When I am returning the data to the client, I want to attach status, payload, that is the body part, and the headers from the REST API and send it to the client. So what is that we will be using? We use response entity. Okay. Next question. What can be done to detect the classes in different package? Either you need to make the hierarchy right or use an attribute in @Spring Boot application. The attribute is scan base packages. Pass the different package name where you want to auto detect the beans. This is one way. One other way is you can also add @component scan, within which you can pass the package name. If you have added that answer, that also is correct. Next question. How does Spring Boot automatically configure your application? How is it possible? As in, when I am adding web as dependency, it is automatically adding embedded Tomcat server. If I am adding security as dependency, it is providing the default username and password. How is it possible? How Spring is avoiding the boilerplate code? So this is achieved with the help of @Spring Boot application, which is having enable auto configuration, which is responsible for enabling certain classes and interfaces based on the dependencies that you have added. If you are adding data JPA, it knows that it has to enable data source. If you are adding security, it knows that it has to enable security specific features. That is, it will provide a default username and password. If you have added web as dependency, it will automatically add embedded Tomcat server. So this is how using this particular annotation.